Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn our new chapter, that is chapter number 4, sorting materials into groups. We will going to learn the first point, that is 4.1, objects around us. We saw that our food and clothes have so much variety in them. Not just food and clothes, there is such a vast variety of objects everywhere. We can see around us many things like chair, table, pipe, shirt, glass, brick, box, etc. But they all are different in size. See, they are different in size. They may be different in shape, or also they are different in color. Also, their use is also different. See, table, the size of all things is different or not? Yes, it's different. It's big, small. Okay, sometimes the pipe is big and small, short, marble size. Then shape, these are cuboid in shape. These are these are cylinder in shape. These are cuboid in shape. Somewhere it's flat and round, where whereas its color is white, blue, and brown, green, etc. Also, their uses are different. Pipe we can use as transporting water. Then keeping things we can use cupboard and table. Okay, brick we can use for construction, marble we can use for playing, and clothes, shirt we can use for wearing. So objects around us are different in size, shape, and also their uses are different. Okay, so and also they are made for different materials. See, table made from wood, marble made from glass, pipe is made from plastic, shirt made from cotton, glass made from metal, brick made from mud, and box made from paper. So this way all the things or all the object around us made from different materials. So what is the definition of material? Any substance or a mixture of substance which has mass and volume is called material. Okay, see, single object formed from different materials. Single object, suppose it is a bicycle, it is a single object. Okay, so it is made from different materials. It is made from different materials, from rubber, metal, and plastic. Okay, so there are more than one materials this bicycle is made. Same as in spectacles, it made from glass and plastic. In utensils made from metal, and the handle may be wooden or plastic. So single object formed from different materials. Next, single object formed from single material. Example, balloon made from rubber, toy made from plastic, and towel made from cotton. Next, single material makes different objects. Once from single material there can be produced many objects. Example, wood. From wood, table can be produced, door, wardrobes, chair, and many more things can formed. From cotton we can have shirts. We have shirts. We can then pants can be formed, towel and bed sheet, and many more things can be produced. So look at here, it is a table. In it there is the list of some materials: glass, plastic, steel, mud or soil, and these are the objects. Okay, see, this is beaker, glass and bottle can made from from glass. Okay, and plastic, from plastic we can produce bottle, pipe and wires. And from steel, railway tracks and bridges. And mud, and from mud and soil, brick and pot can be produced. So it is just for your knowledge. See, look at here also, these are the things which made from single materials. See, box, toy and hair dryer is made from plastic. Here, table, box and chair made from wood. But these two are screwdriver and car made from more than one materials. In car there use rubber, metal and glass, many more things. And whereas in screwdriver, plastic and metal. Okay, so for today's session this much is okay. So you at one activity you have to do at home, you collect as many objects as possible from around you and try to classify them. You make one table like you have in your textbook on page number 27. From material, one side you wrote the name of the material and other objects which you collected. See, there are materials. In materials you have to find out wood, paper, leather, plastics, cottons. And on the other side, that is on right side, you write down just the name of the things. In the next point we will discuss on the basis of it, and that is our next point, that is 4.2. Okay, thank you.